Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Consumer Cellular not receiving text messages. Fix 1. Restart your device. For iOS, press and hold both the side and volume down buttons simultaneously. Release both buttons when the Apple logo appears. For Android device, press and hold the power and the side button for a few seconds until the restart option appears. Tap on the restart to reboot the device. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and sufficient speed using the video streaming app. Try resetting your router by pressing the tiny hole usually found at the back side of the router. Unplug both the end of the Ethernet cable and check for any damage and replug it. Fix 3. Check mobile data is enabled or not. Check if mobile data is enabled on your device. For Android, go to Settings, then click on Network and Internet. Click on Mobile Network and ensure the mobile data option is turned on. For iOS, open the Settings app, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, toggle the switch next to the cellular data or mobile data to turn it on. The switch will be green when enabled. Fix 4. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Removing the SIM card, turn off your phone and find the SIM card tray slot on the side or the top of the phone. Push the SIM card ejection tool into the small hole next to the tray slot. The tray will pop out slightly. Pull it out completely. Take out the old SIM card from the inside tray. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray. Gently push the tray back into the slot until it clicks into place. Turn your phone back on. Your phone should now detect the new SIM card. Fix 5. Update the device software. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, you will see an option to download and install. Tap on Download and Install and enter your passcode if prompted. For Android device, open the Settings, go to System, then System Update. It will check for any available update. If an update is available, you can download and install it. The update will download and then prompt you to install it. Your device will restart and install the new iOS version automatically. Fix 6. Manually select Consumer Cellular Network. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular, then tap on Network Selection. Choose the option to manually select a network. A list of available networks will appear. Select the APN network as Consumer Cellular use APN towers. For Android, open the Settings, go to Network and Internet, click on Mobile Networks. Available networks, switch to manual network selection mode. Select APN network from the list. Some Android device may have a separate option to manually select the Consumer Cellular network versus just APN. Fix 7. Check the APN settings. For Android, go to Settings, then Wireless and Network. Click on More, then Mobile Networks. Click on Access Point Name and tap on 3-dot menu. Click on the New to add the new APN. For iOS, APN settings will be automatically updated. Only you have to update the OS to the latest version. Check for the iOS updates. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Your device will check for any available updates. If an update is available, you will see the option to download and install. Fix 8. Check that the sender's number is not blocked. For iOS, unblock a specific contact. To ensure the number is not blocked, go to Settings, then Messages, then Block Contacts. For iOS, filter unknown senders. Go to Settings, then Messages, then Messages Filtering. Turn on the filter unknown sender. If a message is missing, check if it is filtered to unknown senders by tapping filters in the conversation list. For Android, unblock a specific contact. Navigate to Message app on your Android device. Choose the text from the number you want to unblock. From the drop-down menu, select Details and then unblock the number. On Android, check Blocked Numbers. To see the list of your blocked contacts, go to Contacts app and click on Fix and Manage and then select Blocked Numbers. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.